Sierra Chart finally fixed their issues with the Rhythmic data feed, and we're gonna go over how to get everything set up. Let's get right into it. Alright, so for this one, we're going to use our ultimate charting guide, and I got a section in here for the Rhythmic, how to connect the Rhythmic data feed in Sierra Chart. So if you want to get the ultimate charting guide, you just go to the easiest way to do it. You can click, there's a link in the description below, or let's go to mv3trader.com. You scroll on down until you see the image for the ultimate charting guide. Go ahead and click on it, and you can sign up to be notified once it's officially released. All right, it's available for the pre-launch. So you just scroll down, you can see all the information that you need to know. Got even a little walkthrough on how to use it and all that good stuff, a little sneak peek into it, and then you can put your email in there, click notify me, and then you get an email with the quick start guides, or the link to the quick start guides, which are free. And then you'll be put on the list to be notified when the ultimate charting guide is ready to be downloaded and used. All right, so back to the Rhythmic data feed. This is exciting for me because I'm trading with Leeloo, and Leeloo uses the Rhythmic data feed as well as like most of the other funded trading accounts. And of course, my favorite charting platform is Sierra Chart. So I get to trade in my funded account with Leeloo, and also get to trade on my favorite charting platform, which is awesome. All right, so let's get right into this. So through this guide, we're just going to follow straight through the guide. It's a quick, easy process. The first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure you have the current version of Sierra Chart. And let me switch up the screens. All right, so to make sure you got the current version of Sierra Chart, you just go to help, and then go to download current version, and it's going to do its thing in the background. And then this window will pop up right here. The installer program has been downloaded. Sierra Charts needs to be closed. Click yes to close the program, or no to continue with the update, or no to not continue with the update. All right, so if you want to continue with the update, click yes. For this one, I'm not going to do it right now because this is not what I just wanted to make sure that you knew to go ahead and make sure you update to the latest version. Okay, so I'm gonna click no because I don't want to go through it right now. But if you need to update, if you're need to connect your Rhythmic data, go ahead and update to the current version. All right, so the current version that we know this works on for sure right now is, let me bring up the screen. We know that it works on version 2253. All right, so for sure it works on version 2253 because that's what I use it on. All right, so you can go ahead and update that version. All right, so getting back to the Rhythmic part, connecting the data. So after you got the current version, or version 2253, the first thing you want to do is you want to download and install the DTC bridge files. All right, and there's a link right here for you that you can just click on this link. It'll take you to this page right here, and you just scroll down and you just click on this .zip file here. All right, so once you download that .zip file, it should go to your downloads, and then I put it in another folder just for this video, but you just find wherever it downloaded the .zip file to. You'll right click on the Rhythmic bridge.zip file, and you'll go to extract all. And then this window right here will pop up, and make sure you know where it's extracting the files to, and then also make sure that this is checked so that it opens up when we're done with it, when it's done extracting. So once it's done extracting it, it'll open up this folder here with the extracted files that you're gonna take it and you're gonna copy it. You're gonna either right click and go to copy, or you can do Control C, however you like to copy. Then you're gonna go and you're gonna find your Sierra Chart folder. Usually Sierra Chart saves on the C drive, so we can go to this PC, double click on Windows, the C drive, and then we're gonna go to Sierra Chart. So I have 2 installs of Sierra Chart. That's why you see I have 2 folders, but we're gonna just put this on the regular one. All right, double click on that. Now in this part, let's go back to the quick start guide and make sure we're following along correctly. All right, so for this part, you want to make sure that you have this RIM folder, which we can see right here. So by default, Sierra Chart does not install this RIM folder. as of right now, as the time of this video, at the time that I'm recording this video. So all you're gonna do is you just gotta create that folder. There's a icon here to create a new folder. Just click that and then name it RIM for RIM, right? And then you're gonna double click in that, and the files that you copied from here, you just want to paste it in there. All right, so that's all you got to do to make sure Sierra Chart is ready to connect to the Rhythmic data feed. All right, so once you get all that done, you can go ahead and close these windows down. I'm just gonna go ahead and close them down. And now let's go ahead and open up Sierra Chart. So we're gonna open up this one here. All right, so once Sierra Chart is open, you're gonna go up here to File, and then you're gonna go to Data Trade Service Settings. Okay. All right, so this window pops up right here next to Current Selected Service. You're gonna go ahead and click the drop down and make sure you select Rhythmic Trading, the trading one. All right, and then click A for Apply. And then for the server, for Leeloo, it depends on who you get your Rhythmic data from. You got to get with them to know which server to connect to. So for Leeloo, we're using this paper trading server. So whatever server you got to pick, based off of where you get your Rhythmic data from, you just click the drop down right there and you make the selection. But for Leeloo, we use paper trading server. Make sure you got that selected, and then click on, let me see, where is it at? Paper trading server. Click on A, put your credentials in there, and then you just click OK. Now once you got all that, all the settings, those are all the settings. So let's make sure we go back to the ultimate charting guide to make sure we're on track. We're not leaving anything out. Okay, did all that. We extracted, we copied, and we pasted. Now we're connecting with the file, the Rhythmic trading. All right, so we're good to go. All right, so let's go back to the Sierra Chart. So everything should be good to go. So now we're going to connect to our data feed. I'm going to use that link right there, that icon right here, the shortcut. So once you're connected, your status bar should turn to green, and now you're connected to the Rhythmic data feed. And it's really simple. It's actually, much more simple than I think it used to be. All right, so that was a real short, video, because it's a real simple process. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. If you got any questions or comments, you already know, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below this video, and I will see you on the next one. Trade it easy.